Hey there YouTube, this is Josh from the great state of Alabama. In today's video, we're going to go over what I had to go through to obtain my real estate license in Alabama. For starters, in Alabama, you're required to have a 60-hour pre-license course. You can do this online, through online courses, or you can do it in person. I chose to do an in-person learning for my 60-hour course. The days that I went for in-person learning was in the evenings to offset my work schedule, and those were Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Once you complete the pre-license, you have to apply to the Alabama Real Estate Commission and take the state test. Number two, once I passed my real estate exam, I was given a temporary license in the state of Alabama. I was then prompted to go and take a 30-hour post-license course. This can be done also online or in person. I chose to do the in-person course. At the end of the course, there is a test that you have to take. Once you have completed the 30-hour post-license course, you're required to submit that to the state of Alabama, the commission. The commission then will issue you a permanent real estate license. So altogether, it was 90 hours of coursework and a test that you had to take to obtain your real estate license. Starting at the beginning of the year in 2024, that course is going to be condensed to a 90-hour course, but instead of taking the pre-license testing and then the post-license, you will be required to take the full 90 hours and then a test for your license. Lastly, and probably the most important thing that you need to know about obtaining your real estate license in the state of Alabama are the fees, the cost associated with getting your license and being able to work as a realtor in Alabama. So for me, with the pre-license, the post-license, the test, the MLS fees, my association fees, and any other fees associated, for me in North Alabama was approximately $3,600. And that was for once I started until now, and I'm able to do business as a realtor in North Alabama. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day and God bless you.